take right, take right. Don't you love the right, don't you love the sex life? Hold on, man. Wicked General. Me deserve an excuse.
Me see Aisha up here.
Yes.
See them is the real wife, and me are the stage wife.
Yes, my work wife.
See them give you permission for wine pan issue as well, because she give me permission for wine pan you. Me see your wine pan issue, so you have to go give me a different position. A totally new position. Me don't want the same style when me see you.
Yo, somebody pass that chair. Someone pass the chair. Kartel and she and issue no for share. Make sure that that chair is strong like me and spice relationship, you know.
Is that chair style you want?
Yes, baby. Why me like is a hairstyle, you want? Just bend over, no! She love talk back here. She like to be push up on the boom here.
That man can't do fear. Put fire up in a whole car here.
Hey, spice! Put off the body and don't. Put off the body and don't. Drop it off in the foot.
Break out the body and don't. Stop out the belly and
yes, I am on the cheer, but take right, take right. Don't you love the ride, don't you love the sex ride? Oh, Spice. Oh, Spice.
that's all right, I'm
One queen.
one king.
Yeah, you can remove the chair. What's up now? You have something else you want to say?
You know more set here.
Your eye pretty, man.
You can.
Looking at my eye, baby. Looking at my eye, Spice. Now got this, you baby. Kiss me on my lips, woman.
Oh, you're so far, me have to stay from him. You love each other now.
Let me tell you, I like the share boy, so no, but you say we need to prison.